easy way to get the radio out. Probably don't even really need tools. Push this guy up, get out of the way, put your hand underneath here, pull, 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 pull. That's it. Clip, 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 clip. You can unplug this guy if you want, get out of your way. Put him in a safe space. And the radio, same thing. The dash bezel. Pull this guy out. Pull this guy out. Pry up, pry out, pry up. Come on, come on. All this pressure. All pressure. But these American vehicles, they love using dumb clips like this that open up on you. Sometimes they get caught behind the dash. You see? This one got lost in the dash. I'll probably find it. Here it is. It's right here. Stupid. You got metal versus plastic. Plastic always loses. You just push it back in. So, we got the little same pry tool we had before. Boop boop. That's it. That snaps into there. This guy here, and here's your radio. Pull this guy out. Plug him. Little plug. Same principle. Little things push down. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. And the radio's out. That's how easy that is. Same thing. Plug it back in. Back in. Line it. Line it. Push. Push. There's nothing ever happened. This guy. Plug him back in. Back in. That's it.